If you take a Boeing 747, it takes 30 seconds from the moment that it starts on the runway until it takes off. You should time that when you get a chance. It's very close to 30 seconds. And by that time, the plane has reached a speed of about 150 miles per hour. And if you assume that the acceleration is constant, it's an easy calculation, it turns out that the acceleration is only 2 meters per second squared. That is only 1/5 of the gravitational acceleration. Feels sort of good, right? It's very comfortable when you're sort of taking off. It's only 2 meters per second squared.